Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you some solutions if you're facing this problem in Fortnite. You were removed from the match due to internet lag, your IP or machine or VPN usage, or for cheating. So first of all, you'll have to search for registry editor from your search tab, and then when it opens you have to go to this simply go to HKey current user, expand it, and then go to software, expand that as well. Then you will have to find Epic Games, simply expand Epic Games, and then you'll see Unreal Engine, expand that, and you'll see this identifiers folder. You'll have to delete this folder, so simply right click on it and then press delete, and it will be deleted. And then another method that you can try is to search for network status or network reset. So simply go on that settings, and here you'll see this network reset option at the bottom. In your case it could be on the top as well, it doesn't matter. Press on that and simply press this reset now button, which will reset your network, and you should be able to join Fortnite. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.